Hello friends, today I show you how can withdraw money POSB ATM less than $50 or more than $50 because you see when you use ATM just their limited amount only, right? Like $50, $80, 150 or 200. So if you want take like $30, $40 or 240, 130. So this one no have option coming. So today I show you how can you writing their amount and can get money. Okay, let's see. Okay, first I writing my pin number. Now you see here only have 50, 80, 100, 150, 200, 300, 500 or 1000. So just click here how much you want, just writing here. I just take $30, but if you want 230, 250, 300 or 500, 1000, $30, 60, 80, 70, can writing here. I writing $30, so simply just click here. You see it's very easy. Mostly people know this feature, but some people don't know how to withdraw money about $30, $40 or like 240, 330. Just simply writing and very easy to withdraw. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.